And I'm here with.
My name is Deep. I'm the Senior Relationship Manager with TNFX.
Nice to have you, Deep. So I want to ask, what are the types of accounts you have for TNFA?
Well, in TNFX, we have a multiple accounts. We have a standard account, we have a cent account, we have a VIP account, and we have a zero account. So all these account types has a different valuations. Like all the account types, you can choose according to your budget, and you can start the trading with that.
So what are the requirements for someone to become an IB for TNFA?
Well, when you start as an IB, it's one of the biggest thing which you're achieving in the market. So IB, when you start with an IB, first of all, you should be aware that yes, I'm doing trading by myself. And if I want to indulge, like for an example, I want to add my friends or family members or any of my surrounded people, like they are interested to do the trading, but they doesn't know which link to follow for that. So as a broker, you can create your IB first with TNFX. You will get a specific link which you can share to your friends, and once they register, it will be keep coming to your account. So IB requirements is pretty simple. We just need your ID, your front and back of your ID, and any of your address proof. You can give any of the address proof for that.
Okay, so what are the benefits of one becoming an IB?
Well, when it comes to benefits, like see in this market, everyone loves to make money. Everyone wants to make a money. So IB is one hand you can upgrade yourself towards the trading when it comes to an IB. Now let's take an example. You wants to be an IB with me. You wants to do the trading with me. Now being an IB, I have given you my link. You register yourself. Whichever the trade you will be doing, the IB will get in specific commissions for that in his account. So now we are providing up to $10 the commissions, right? Now let's take an example. You started with some small instruments like Microsoft, Google, Tesla. You're trading on a small volume size, but IB on the simultaneously, like you're making the profit as a client, but being an IB, you're making a profit for yourself. You're getting like an extra commission for that.
So if someone is new in the Forex industry and is about to start trading, what will you tell them to look out for when selecting a broker?
The best thing is that all I can say it's we are the best and we can beat the rest. Okay, so when it comes to TNFX, we believe to teach them. We believe to make the clients understand what exactly the trading works. Because yes, if there is a positive, there is a negative as well. There are so many freshest clients out there who wants to do the trading in this market, but they have absolutely no knowledge about that. This is what I suggest to my clients as well. Start with a demo account. Once you open the demo account, side by side, check the news as well. Because at the end, the market doesn't run by me, doesn't run by TNFX. It's run by the news. So you have to focus yourself on a news. What are the news are coming towards the market? For an example, like today I have a Fed reports are coming. Today I have a FOMC meetings are coming. Today I have some average non-CPI reports are coming. So keep an eye on those news. Those news bring a big impact on when you're trading on any instruments, whether it's a gold, natural gas, palladium, platinum. It brings a very huge changes. Even the indices like US Tech 100, which we call a Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones, it bring a good changes. So what I'll suggest, being a beginners in this market, always open a demo account. Okay, once you open the demo account, keep your eye on the news. Once you educate yourself, let's take an example. In 1 month, 30 days to 60 days, you educate yourself towards the trading. Then you go ahead and open a live account, deposit a good amount of money, start up volume size. Like when it comes to the trading, you should always choose a small volume size. Doesn't, like for an example, I have a $10,000 in my account and I want to put all my money and risk it. Seriously, it's not going to work. So what I'll suggest always, if you have a $10,000, $20,000 in your account, start with a small volume size. Put your trade like $6 of trade, $10 of trade, and make sure you always use stop loss and take profit. Because once you understand the principle of risk management, the trading life is much easier for you. So always keep an eye on the risk management, which is very much important. That this much I want to make profit, and this much loss I can grab it from the market and I can skip this market. But yes, this is all the play role of risk management, which is very much important in this.
If there's anyone who wants to start trading, what advice will you give a beginner?
For beginner traders, as I said, you have to keep an eye on the news. Market is very big. There are people who wants to do the daily trading. For an example, there are beginners who wants to do the daily trading, daily profit. Like I want to indulge myself with a gold, crude oil, natural gas. I'll make a small profit. I'll skip from the market. But there are traders who like to hold the position for the long term. Like beginner traders, they doesn't know what is a gold. They doesn't know what is a crude oil, right? They doesn't know what is a intraday trading. So I'll suggest them have a good knowledge on very good stocks like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, Johnson and Johnson, Pfizer companies. We have like all the stocks we have available. Even the European stocks we have: Ferrari, Vodafone, Volkswagen. You can trade on those. For an example, today I'm buying a Tesla in this market. Why should I buy a Tesla car? I'll go for a Tesla shares, right? Because the small amount, I can keep it growing slower and gradually it will grow in the account. So I'll suggest my beginners go with the shares. Once you have a good knowledge with the shares, then jump to the intraday trading.